and so today I have a question. What day is today? Let's see who knows. Is it Monday? No, right? Because remember that we have English class on Tuesday and on Thursday. But remember, last time was Thursday, and so today is Tuesday, and let's see what day is today. So we have May, and let's go down to Tuesday. May 19, 2020. So let's write that here. Today is May 19, 2020. Now let's remember that 19, we write it with the number 1 and the number 9. So everybody together say with me, today, great job, is Tuesday, May 19, 2020. Great job. And what is the weather today? If we look outside and we look, or if we feel, because we can feel the weather, right? So we can see it and we can feel if it's cold or if it's hot or if it's raining, we can feel it, right? And we can see it and we can hear it when it's windy. But let's see today. Is today a hot day? Guess what? The teacher is a little bit hot, so I'm gonna say this one. Is it a cold day? No. Is it a cloudy day? A nice and cloudy day with white clouds? Yeah, a little bit. Is it a sunny day? Is there a lot of sun outside? Not too much, just a little bit. Is it raining? Shh. No, right? So guess what? We're gonna say that today is a hot and cloudy day. So we can have two different ones. So we're gonna put it here. So today is a hot and a cloudy day. Great job. Okay, and so today we're going to be learning about something called rhyming words. So with rhyming words, it's almost like when you're singing a song because it goes together, right? So we're going to talk about rhyming words and we're going to learn how to answer the question. Let's look here. It says, how many? So that means that we're going to count. So I hope in math class you guys are practicing your numbers. We're practicing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So we have to practice counting because the question is how many? So we can answer this question by saying there is, there are, and I see. But we're going to get there soon, okay? Now, the letter of this week. What is the letter of the week? Let's see who knows. Because last week, what letter did we have last week? Who remembers? There was something about a roaring lion. Was it L? Great job, right? But this week we have a new letter. Okay, so now you guys are going to ask and say, teacher, what is the letter of the week? Can you guys see anything? Because here I see that there's a letter and we have a cute dog and it looks like the letter of the week is the letter D, right? So the sound is D. Say with me, D. Let's practice together, D. So we have D for dog. So I'm going to put it here on the board. And so we're going to practice writing the D, okay? So you guys can practice. Okay, so we're going to practice writing the letter D, but we're going to begin with a capital D. So let's go here. We're going to start at the top and draw a line coming down, and then we're going to connect them, go around, up. There you go. Now the small KC, we're going to go down on this line, come down, 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 and then we're going to draw a circle going around. So let's try that one more time. Capital D, we start all the way on line number 1, come down. We're going to come around, and there's our capital D. Whoop, there you go. And then small KC, we're going to draw our line coming down, and then we're going to draw our circle going around. So what do we remember? That the capital D says hi to the small KC. So let's draw his little eye over here so that he can be a happy D. Here's his smile. And here, the small KC, we're going to draw his little eye, his little smile. And so the capital D says hi to small KC. So we're going to draw Let's see over here, and he's going to say hi. Great job. So capital D says hi to small case d. And small case d says hello, capital D. Great job, you guys. And so for the capital D, we have the line going down, and then we go around, right? Great job. And for the small case d, we have the line going down, and then we have the circle going around. So we're going to practice one more here so you guys can see it, okay? So capital D is a line going down, and then we have coming around. Great job. So this is capital D. And small case d, we draw a line going down and a little circle going around. But guess what, you guys? If we can see that the capital D, let me draw a little beautiful eye over here. And he's smiling. And guess what? Capital D says hi to the small case d. So here we have a little eye for the small case d. And capital D says, let's draw it over here. And he says, hi. Right, how cute, right? So the capital D says hi to the small case d. Great job. So let's practice and look at a few words that begin with the letter D. Are you guys ready? Okay, so let's see. So the first word, what do we see here? We see that there is a dad, and we say, what? D is for dad. Great job. Okay, the next one. Do you guys remember dancing? Great job. And it says D is for dance. Great job. And the next one, guess what? When we're really hungry at home, it says D is for dinner. The next one we see, is it scary or a happy dinosaur? It's a happy dinosaur, right? And we say D is for dinosaur. Hey, you guys, so we're going to go into this classroom here. We see what? First C, and we're going to see what other things begin with the letter D. Okay, so the first thing that I see is that the door begins with the letter D. We have D-O-O-R. Let's see what else begins with the letter D. Let's go over here. Here we have a beautiful drawing, and we see that it begins with the letter D. Let's see what else we can find. And we have a desk. Do you guys miss your desk? We see here that this begins with the letter D. Let's see what you can find that begins with D at home. So you guys saw the letter D, right? And so we remember that the capital D says hi to the small case d. Very good job. Okay, but let's continue. You guys ready? Okay, we're going to get to the sight words really soon. But first, we're going to talk about the rhyming words. Are you guys ready? Okay, so here we have the rhyming words, and something that we have to know about rhyming words is that rhyming words, what? Who knows? Can you guys tell me? Guess what? Here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to our book so that we can see what do rhyming words do, because it says that rhyming words end with the same letters. So let's go to our everyday English book, and we're going to be working together. Are you guys ready? Okay. So I hope that everybody is on page 76 of your everyday English book. And here it says, rhyming words have the same ending. So do rhyming words have the same ending or different ending? The same ending. Great job. So you guys are going to follow the instructions because we're going to work together, okay? So here we see a little boy, and we see a lot of words, right? There's a lot of words, but guess what? We're going to work together. So remember that we have to have our pencil ready, and then we have to find the colors red and blue. We can use our crayons or our color pencils. Are you guys ready? Okay, so on the first line, just like you guys see in the picture, we are going to circle the beginning letters of each word. Are you guys ready? So we're going to circle the beginning letter of kite, which is K. We are going to circle the beginning letter of ball, which is B. We are going to circle the beginning letter of mall, which is mall. And we are going to circle the beginning letter of tall, which is T. Very good, okay? So that was the first step, because guess what? We remember that every word has a beginning letter, right? Okay, now that we circle the beginning letter, I want you guys to grab your blue crayon or color pencil, okay? And now let's look at this next picture. And what we're going to do is that we are going to underline, okay, the ending letters. So the ending letters for kite are the letters I-T-E. So we are going to underline it. Now for ball, the ending letters are all, A-L-L. For mall, we see that the ending letters are A-L-L, all. And we see that for tall, the ending letters are all, A-L-L. So let's underline it. Great job. And now I want you guys to use your looking eyes. Are you guys ready? Because we're using our looking eyes, okay? And we're going to see here, we have to look at the words that have the same ending. So we see that what endings are the same? Let's see here. Is the ending for kite and ball the same? No, right? Is the ending for ball and mall the same? Yes. Is it the same for ball, mall, and tall? Great job, right? So here's what we're going to do. With our pencil, we're going to draw an X mark on the word that doesn't rhyme, okay? Great job. And now we're going to practice together and say the rhyming words are ball, mall, and tall, right? And why do we know that? Because they have the same ending. Great job. So you guys are going to finish this exercise, okay, for homework, and then we're going to review on Thursday, okay? So I hope you guys have a fun time practicing this, but let's continue. Are you guys ready? Okay, because remember that we still have to answer the question, how many? What question do we have to answer? The question, how many? Okay, but really quickly, because I know that you guys were practicing with your teacher Monica about singular and plural, so I'm going to show you guys singular, because remember that singular is for how many? For only one, right? So here we see only one tree. So say with me, singular is only one. Great job. But then we have plural. Say with me, plural. And we know that plural is what? More than one, right? So singular is one. Plural is more than one. So I'm going to put this on the board because this is going to help us. Okay? So, when we see a picture and we only see one, that means that is that singular or plural? That is singular. Great job, okay. So if it is singular, we are going to say there is one, right, tape. So we can say there is one tape because there is only one. Now, if it is more than one, we call it what? Plural. And we're going to use the word are. Okay? So let's practice. So let's look for something where there are more than one. Let me see. Guess what I found? I found my markers like always, right? So let's see. Is there one marker? No, right? There are 1 and 2 markers. So we're going to say there are, and let's write the number, 2 markers, right? And we remember that with plural, we write the letter S at the end. Very good. Or we're going to practice our sight words because we can also say I see, right? And we can say I see one tape, right? Or I can say I see 2 markers, okay? So if it's only one, we say there is. If it's more than one, right? So not one, but more than one, right? We say there are, or we can say I see, and give the number. So we're going to practice, okay? We're going to see a story about a birthday party, and we're going to practice saying there is and there are. Are you guys ready? Okay, so let's go to the story about the birthday. And here we see that at the birthday we see how many clowns do we see, right? We can say there is one clown. Great job. Okay, how many children do we see? Let's count everybody together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great job. So we can say, I see what? 7 children. Or I can say, there are 7 children. Great job. And next we're going to look at the balloons. Let's count the balloons and we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. So I can say, I see 10 balloons, or I can say, there are 10 balloons. Great job. But guess what? If it's a birthday party, we need a cake, right? So let's look. And how many do we have cakes, or only one cake? One cake, right? So I can say, I see one cake, or I can say, there is one cake. Great job, okay? So you guys did an awesome job. And so guess what? For our activity this week, we're going to practice writing the letter D because we have to practice the letter of the week, okay? We're going to practice finding the rhyming words, right? Because they have the same ending. But before we finish, guess what? We have our recite words. Are you guys ready? Okay, so let's practice our recite words. So the first one was the word I. Say with me, I. Great job. The next one is the word like. Say with me, like. Great job. The next one is the word do. So I can ask you, do you like candy? Maybe, right? Or do you like ice cream? I do. All right. The next one is the word it. Right? Great job. So remember that I asked, is it cloudy? Is it raining? Great job, right? For the weather. And the last one that we have is see. Remember that we practiced when we said I see, right? And we gave a number. So let's practice one more time. Our recite words of the week are I, like, do, it, and see. Great job. So I'm going to send you guys instructions for your activities so you guys know what to do for this week, okay? So I'm so happy that I saw you guys today. I send you a kiss, a hug, and what else? A wave. All right. See you guys on Thursday.